Hello friends, welcome to this 10 days faculty development program organized by the Faculty Development Center under the Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Teaching and Teacher Mission, MHRD initiative, and HRDC Savitribai Phule Pune University and KTHM College, Nashik. Friends, under the leadership of Dr. Gaikwad sir, who is very senior academician of Maharashtra. The program is going to organize at the KTHM College with the coordinators of Boris sir and his team. The theme is very appropriate regarding considering the uncertainty of due to the COVID-19. What will be the scenario of higher education at a large? And this scenario you are discussing in this Faculty Development Center is regarding the commerce, management and economics. Friends, the higher education is contributing not only this nation but also the globe regarding the economic development of the nation, overall development of the nation, and second thing, through this establishing the social justice into the society. And these are the two main purposes: economic development and establishing social justice and social equality into society is the main purpose. Due to that, only this globe will be enjoy the peace actually. The friends, this course will address you regarding the post-COVID era, how the commerce, management and economics will be taught, will be acquired, what knowledge will be utilized to solve the problems in the new normal life. One thing is very important regarding this, that the analysis of existing economic resources of the nation with the trade and commerce with the other countries, and what type of alternative product and services which are imported into the nation, how the higher education will support regarding this to design and to develop and to implement and to realize the industry or services in the society which will be really alternative to the import in this nation. And that is why the teacher fraternity of these three areas has to contribute, really not only delivering the knowledge of this subject but also delivering the knowledge not only in the face-to-face mode but also on an online mode, and for that purpose how to create a e-content and what will be the mode of delivery after COVID, because student will be not into the classroom. And that is why I am explaining you one of the concept, and that is the reversing the education while delivering these three subjects knowledge into the real classroom. And for that purpose we have to use a hybrid model, and in this hybrid model the reverse education concept you have to adopt. What is that reverse education concept? Actually, you now remember that or recall what you are teaching into the classroom. You have to not teach all these things into the classroom. You have to create all your lectures on a digital mode and deliver by a learning platform. That means whatever maybe that you are teaching into the classroom, that should be taken place by you, or your student will enjoy through the online mode. Then what to do into the classroom? Now what you do actually when you are teaching regularly, whatever maybe that you are teaching, concept, theories and applications, that ever you give project to the student and problem to solve to the student, and students solve at the home. Now whatever may be the challenges, whatever may be the application of your own knowledge, own subject knowledge, and whatever may be the project you are giving, that your design and implementation strategy will be guided by the teacher in the classroom. That means it is reverse education. Why? What the student was expected to do in the pre-COVID era, that ever you have to do into the classroom. And whatever maybe the you are, whatever maybe previously you was doing into the classroom, that ever the student has to acquire through the online mode. See the friends, how the learning will be enhanced. The it will enhance, I think, 10 more than tenfold, and that is why you should be ready. Not only the what are the new areas will become, that ever research you have to do, and along with that, what are the challenges, what is the call to your own subject in the higher education, you have to listen it, how the machine learning will be used in teaching learning of these three subjects. Second thing, how the artificial intelligence will be utilized in commerce education, economics education, and management education. Third thing, what are the edu technology will be utilized to deliver this knowledge. Not only this, how the online examination or e-assessment tool will be assessed with assessed and applied to assess the students, and there will be a different, totally different area to be covered by the student, by the teachers, to deliver your knowledge of this subject. I hope that this 10 days faculty development program will give you insight, capable you to face whatever may be the new challenges will be occurred in the higher education in post-COVID era. Wishing you best. Thank you and Jai Hind.